Hello, fellow English learners. Welcome to the first episode of Words on Demand. I am Joanna from Up to Date English, and in this video series, I'll be taking your requests for pronunciation tips. The goal is to help you with tricky words, making sure you feel confident with your English. Today's special request comes all the way from Portugal. Hi, Clara. Thank you for your request, and I wish you the best of luck with your English presentation. I'm sure you're going to do great. Are you ready? Let's start then.
Indonesia. Indonesian. Indonesia. Indonesian. Asia. Asian. Asia. Asian. Desert. Dessert. Desert. Dessert. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan. Vary. Varies. Varied. Varying. Vary. Varies. Varied. Varying. Variety. Various. Variety. Various. Island. Islands. Island. Islands. Archipelago. Archipelago. Chaotic. More chaotic. The most chaotic. Chaotic. More chaotic. The most chaotic. Industry. Industrial. Industry. Industrial. Finance. Financial. Finance. Financial. Independent. Independence. Independent. Independence. Incredible. Incredibly. Incredible. Incredibly. Pure. Purer. The purest. Pure. Purer. The purest. Purely. Purely. Allow. Allows. Allowed. Allowing. Allow. Allows. Allowed. Allowing. Brief. Briefly. Brief. Briefly. Inhabited. Uninhabited. Inhabited. Uninhabited.
That's a wrap for today's Words on Demand. Thanks once again, Clara, and good luck with your presentation. You've got this, girl. If you are not Clara but have a word you need help with, drop your request in the comments and I'll see you in the next episode.